Well, you can never have enough art supplies, right? Hi everyone, it's Erlene of Erlene Garcia Art. My office is a little mess right now, but this is it. That area is dedicated to paper supplies, stamps, those are my books. I have a sewing area, that's my leather, all in that shelf. I have beads behind me, and look what I found, more art supplies at the Goodwill. I thought, should I buy it? Should I not? I couldn't really open it there, but I want to open it with you. So this is it. Let's see. There's some wood pieces. These little packages of yarn animals, a clipboard. Those are like two little packages of burlap gift bags. Of course, I can use those. I don't know about the wood pieces. There are some pretty journals, and they're still packaged, unused. So, hey, maybe I'll stick those in some party favors. So I think I ended up finding 6 journals altogether, probably about 5 bags of those. Garbage, a jar. I do like that the person painted the lid pink. Now, there's the reason I bought the box is for these crystals. Those are $7 a package, and there was 2 packages of these in there. So basically $14 for 2 packages, plus I get all the other supplies. And I'm not sure what I'm going to keep. Whatever I don't keep, I'm gonna neatly put in bags and resell them, repurpose them somehow. Now these, I've never seen these anywhere until I went on eBay and Etsy and Amazon, and they sell for $125. I couldn't believe it. So that was a superb find. I don't know what I will make out of these, but I will use them sparingly. So that was pretty cool. Let's continue to look and see what else is in the box. There was a few of those plastic boxes, so I decided to keep the boxes. There's these little packages of felting animals, and I haven't tried felting yet. Maybe I might keep one package and give it a try, but everything is in there. The eyes, the felt, the needles, those little thingamajiggers. And making memories. These are magnetic stamps, and I did open the box and put everything in order. All of the pieces were there. Only 1 or 2 of those little magnetic stamps was used, and they sell for about $20–$25. There's some decorative scissors. Some of them were Fiskars. This paper punch, I found the other piece and put it back together. I was pretty happy about that. You know, punches can add up when you start buying them. Stickers, more wood pieces. What is that? Some cardboard tags. I don't think I'll keep those, but they're all new and clean. More packages of these little imported felting bunnies and dogs and pandas. This I will not use. That is going to be recycled. This is little thing I think teaches you how to color. That was not for me, but you know, somebody else might enjoy it down the line. It's not used. It does come with some colored pencils that I found somewhere in the bottom of the box. Whoever donated this, hey, I want to say thank you, because one person's trash is another woman's treasure. There's some Fiskars scissors. These are some type of filler plastic beads. And this is Carnival scrapbook paper. And look at those paper flowers. And if you do make cards or scrapbooking, you know these flowers can add up very quickly. Probably $4, $5, $6, $7, $8 a package. So I'm going to separate all of those. Like I have time to do that. But I want to see what's in there. There's some Carnival scrapbook paper. And look, there's more memory making magnetic stamps. Let's open it and see what kind of design it is. I'm really excited about these. So there was 3 packages altogether. And these are alphabet. And yes, all the pieces were there. Took me about 20 minutes to put everything in order. but it's well worth it for whenever I sit down and make cards or whatever I'm going to stamp. Who knows? I might stamp on my own forehead. And let's open this one. That one is pretty cool. There's a crown, there's a clock, there's that pointing hand. I love that. I have that actually in a vintage larger stamp and I use it a lot. There's a sunshine and some playing card stamps. Pretty cool. Let's continue. There is more flowers. I am really happy about this. And I have like a million ideas already going on in my head what I'm going to do with that. And I will obviously make a video and let you guys know how cool whatever it is that I make with these awesome paper flowers. Look at that. One bottle, $6.29, and that's just for 1 or 2 colors in there. So you can imagine how many of the others, what they cost. Those are the big ones. I have seen those at Michael's where you get 4 in a package for $4. This little frilly thing, no, I will not use that. That's still brand new. That will be recycled. What else is in here? Not my kind of stickers, but somebody will enjoy them. Some felt butterflies. Do I want those? Do I not? I don't know, but it's brand new. But because it is brand new, oh my God, more flowers. Because it is brand new, does it mean I have to keep it? I don't want to be a craft hoarder. Yes, you heard me, a craft hoarder. My kids think I'm already a craft hoarder. I am not. All of my art supplies, as you can see, they are neatly put away in boxes and separated and ready to use at any given moment whenever I come up with a great idea. These little things, no, I will not use those. There's some bright leopard flowers. I probably will not keep those. I will keep the ribbon and that green flower. That is beautiful. That is a fabric made out of, a flower made out of fabric. I will not keep that. Somebody lost a little shoe. No, it looks like a luggage tag. I will not keep that, nor that. And I did open this. There's a lot of embroidery floss in there, but the tool was not in there to punch the picture of the owl, so I will just use the floss and get rid of the other piece. More scissors. Oops, somebody was calling me. So this is ghost clocks. Those I will probably keep and use on greeting cards. More flowers. And those are super cute stickers. I think only 1 sticker was used and the rest of the box is filled with it. Those are great for maybe if you made a card to a child. What is that? Oh, those are some little prong studs I will probably not use. That's the other piece of the 7 Gypsies paper stamp, and then some type of a liquid. I will definitely throw that away. I don't know what it's for. I don't need to know what it's for. There's some, what is that? Oh, those are 2 more, what are those again? Journals. So let's see what else is in there. My gosh, pardon my filming because I'm holding the camera and using one hand to go through everything. I will not keep that. That's by Memory Makers. They do make great products. That is something I know I will definitely not use. I will keep the plastic little boxes. There's the pencils to the little coloring book and more felt stickers. I will not use those. Wow, just look at that pile of awesomeness. Once it's all separated, it's going to be amazing for me to work with. Pretty cool. So, wow, I'm really happy with this bundle of recycled goodness here. So it does kind of pay to go to your local thrift stores and Salvation Army and Goodwills or even garage sales. I have found so many crafty items that people decide that they want to start maybe even a business, and they go, no, it's too much for me. So they end up selling the whole lot. I have walked away with about 6 cartons of wooden stamps at the last garage sale for about $40, and turned around and made money on the other ones. Look at those flowers. Those flowers can range anywhere from $4 to $12 when they're in stems like that per color. Those are really cute. I mean, my ideas right now are just like flowing. So I already started separating the flowers in colors. Everything I like having colorized, and then that way if I'm working with blues, pinks, or purples, I know that I want to grab those particular colors, and that goes for my beads and papers as well. But look at that, there's so many. I am just besides myself right now. What a great deal. And that scrapbook paper, it's really pretty. I'll show you at the end of the video what it looks like. There's a pile of madness there, so I'm going to go through all of that and separate what I want and then what I want to recycle, and someone else can enjoy it. I think maybe I'll put together a kit that has some really nice accessories in it to make greeting cards. Maybe I'll put together like 3 cards and different types of color flowers. And I do have bead kits, so maybe I'll put together some card kits. Look at that paper. OMG. And you know, this is $1 a sheet. So that's another, what, 10, 12 bucks? So the next time you're at the thrift shop or a junk store, really take a look around. Look high, look low. They do put together bundles like this, and you never know what kind of treasure you might find. The last time that I was at the Salvation Army, I found a box of beads, and I think I paid like $15 or $20 for it. And I ended up with about, over $1,000 worth of merchandise, a pair of earrings that were $900, and the rest were sterling silver findings. So keep your eyes peeled, and you kind of have to go through the mess to find the rainbow. So look at that. I think I made out, don't you? So keep an eye on my Etsy. I will put together a couple of kits so you can share in this extravaganza with me. And check out also my bead kits if you're into making jewelry. I truly have something for everybody, and I will always try to help you guys create fabulous items for gifts, sale, or designing something very cool for yourself. Check out my other videos because there's always something there to incorporate into your ideas and your artwork. So thanks for stopping by today. It was a lot of fun, and have a happy day. Bye.